Now, let's have another problem. The problem is we must find the solution for the general solution for sine 2x is equal to negative 0,5. Oops. Yes. Sine 2x is equal to negative 0,5. We move along with the steps. We don't behave intelligent. Step one. Who can remind us of the step one? Oh, everybody is comfortable with step one. Step one is to identify the quadrant. And where are we? Where are we? We are in the third. We are in the third and the fourth quadrant. Now, done with the negative sign. We don't have to bother again with that negative sign. Now, step two. What is our step two? We want the angle that we'll refer to in order to generate the solution for the problem. So that is our reference angle. How do we calculate our reference angle? I'll always mislead you. For a start, we press second function, arcsine or the Casio has put the brackets for me there. I'm tempted to put negative sign there. No, I cannot. Why? I've already used that negative sign to identify the quadrant. So I need to press 0,5. I must be kind to Casio, close the bracket, and the reference angle is 30 degrees there. So my reference angle is 30 degrees there. Remember, for the first problem that we have done, the reference angle was also the solution for the problem. But in this case, observe that the reference angle, which is, remember, I'll always drop my marker here so that you can recall how do we put our reference angle, and this angle must be 30 degrees, that other one must be 30 degrees. Now, to find the solution for that, we must start from, I'll put the marker there, and we count the angle from there. Once we touch that arm, we must count the angle there. Okay, now step 3 will be the solution. The solution will be, we know from here up to there, is 180 degrees, but now we must add another angle there. So the solution will be in this case, we are having 2x, not x. 2x will be equals to 30 degrees. But now, we can rotate. We can rotate from here 360 degrees and come back. So, that is not 30 degrees, my mistake. That is 180 degrees. I'm writing not what I'm saying. 180 degrees plus 30 degrees. Now that we are there, we can rotate, and that will be plus. We are back to sine 360 degrees times n being an element of integer. I'll just squeeze it in there because I made a mistake there. Okay, now the solution will be, let's simplify, 180 plus 30, that is 210, plus 360 degrees times n, that is 2x. We cannot add these two numbers because they are unlike terms. This one has got n, this one doesn't have n. Now, we are not looking for the solution of 2x, but we want the value of x. So, to find the value of x, we must divide throughout by 2. 2 into 2 will go once, 2 into 1 doesn't go, it leaves 1 into 5, into 10, it will go 5 times, plus 2 into 360, it will go 180 degrees times n. That will be the first solution. Or the second solution will be, we count from here up until we get to that terminal ray. Now, what is that angle? I'm deliberately going to drop that marker there so that you should not forget. This angle here that we have counted is 360 degrees minus that angle. And our x will be 360 degrees minus our reference angle, which is 30 degrees. Of course, we can rotate any number of revolution, and therefore we'll say plus 360 degrees times n, n being an element of integers. And 360, if we simplify this, 360 minus 30, that will be 330 degrees plus 300. Remember, we have 2x there. I made a mistake. I nearly made a mistake, forgotten about the 2. And then we've got 2x equals to 330 plus 360 degrees times n. Is not yet the solution. We want the solution x. To find x, we must divide throughout by 2. 2 into 3 will go once. It will make 2. It will leave 1. Into 13, it will go 6 times. It will make 12. It will leave 1. Into 10, it will go 5 times. So we've got 165 degrees plus 2 into 360 degrees. It goes 180 degrees times n. That will be the general solution for that problem. Right. So far, so good. I hope you don't have a question. If you do have a question, we'll capture that and I'll look at those questions, and in the second session I'll respond to those questions. Right. I hope everything is going well.